If you decide to drive around in Japan on your travel, you might want to take note of their GPS system. You can set to English as your primary language on the system, but most of the word will still remain in Japanese. Also take note that they do not use the regular GPS coordinates. They have their own map code being used by the Japanese GPS system. Okay, so to start off with, I'll show you how to change the language, how to find a place using the name, phone or the map code. Introduce you to an app on your mobile that you can use to find the map code. So from the GPS system, I'm currently now in the Furano area. This is the menu button. Press this, it will center on where you are right now exactly. To change the language, press on the menu button, go to this button that is actually kanji for Japanese language, and you change to the second option, English. The left button is OK, and it will take a while for the system to restart in English. Okay, now here we are in the English menu, but as you can see, many of the items still remains in Japanese. Okay, not to worry, the main things that you need is either the name, phone number or the map code, and you have the history of what you have keyed in before. Okay, so to begin with, if you know the name of the establishment or the attraction you're going to go to, simply go to the name. If you can't find the name, you can always go by the phone, example the phone of the hotel or the location that you're going to, and I'll come back later to the map code. I don't find the category exactly useful because their classification of location might be different from what we have in mind. Okay, so let's say you already know the name. One of the most famous attraction in the Furano area is the Tomita farm, so I can just go right ahead and type in Tomita. The list includes the location that I'm looking for, farm Tomita. So in this case, you can just go ahead and press go there, and over here number 6 actually tells you that there is 6 routes that is calculated for you. The one selected for you is usually the shortest path. Over here is how much you might need to pay for the toll gate along this route, the time that you need on this route, and the distance. Let's go to the 6th other option, and you can see all the options down below. So once you select the one that you are satisfied with, just start here. This turned back to Japanese again, but sometimes it's English, so the menu is pretty inconsistent. Okay, and
in about 3 kilometers, turn right.
Okay, there you have it. This portion tells you where is the next navigation that you need to take. For example, this 3.5 kilometer later you need to make a right turn, and after this will be another 9.5 kilometer to make a left turn. So these are the next 2 turns that you'll be needing to take along this route. This is the estimated time of arrival and the distance total. If I want to exit this route and cancel it, just go to the main menu, route, and cancel. Yes. Finding by the phone number is pretty straightforward. You just key in the number and the list of the location will appear. Okay, now I want to show you the map code. Okay, for map code, it all consists of a set of number and sometimes an asterisk at the end before another 2 digits. Okay, but to get the map code itself, I will need to use another app to find out the exact map code. For this, I use a mobile app on Android called the NaviBridge. So now, for example, if there's somewhere that you couldn't find on the GPS name list itself, okay, so let's say I couldn't find the Tomita farm on the GPS system itself, okay, all I need to do is just type in Tomita farm in the app, and in the middle of it, it will show you the map code on the app itself. So you just type in this map code into the GPS system, there's the asterisk. Okay, so after keying it, press OK, and it will give you the exact location farm Tomita as was in the GPS system. Okay, so basically that's all you need to know about the Japanese GPS system in the rental car. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and if you like this video, please click subscribe, hit like, and turn on the notification for more video from Gadgets and Toys. I'll see you next time. Bye.